Have you ever felt that sudden pang of dread when you realize your internet is down, your phone line is silent, or your TV screen is blank, only to remember, oh no, my Rogers account might be deactivated? It's a frustrating situation, and one many of us have faced. Whether it was a missed payment, a temporary suspension, or simply an oversight, being disconnected from essential services can throw a real wrench in your day. But don't panic just yet. Reactivating your Rogers account is often a straightforward process. In this video, we're going to walk you through the various ways you can get your services back up and running, providing you with the information and steps you need to reconnect with Rogers. We'll explore the common reasons for deactivation, the different methods you can use to reactivate, and some helpful tips to avoid this situation in the future. So, if you're staring at a disconnected device and wondering, how do I reactivate my Rogers account, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and get you reconnected. First things first, it's helpful to understand why your account might have been deactivated in the first place. Knowing the reason can often streamline the reactivation process. Here are some of the most common culprits. 1. Overdue payments. This is perhaps the most frequent reason for service interruption. If your payment is significantly overdue, Rogers may temporarily suspend or deactivate your services until the outstanding balance is paid. The specific time frame for deactivation can vary depending on Rogers policies and the length of the overdue period. 2. Account suspension at your request. Sometimes, you might have intentionally requested a temporary suspension of your services, for example, if you were going on vacation or needed to cut costs for a period. In this case, reactivation is simply a matter of informing Rogers that you're ready to resume your services. 3. Technical issues or system errors. Although less common, there's a possibility that your deactivation is due to a technical glitch or an error in Rogers' system. If you suspect this might be the case, it's crucial to contact Rogers directly to investigate. 4. Violation of terms of service. In rare instances, an account might be deactivated due to a violation of Rogers' terms of service. This could involve activities deemed inappropriate or illegal. If this is the reason for your deactivation, you'll likely need to discuss the specific issue with Rogers and understand the steps required for potential reactivation. Now that we have a better understanding of why your account might be deactivated, let's explore the various methods you can use to reactivate it. The best approach often depends on the reason for deactivation and your personal preferences. Here are the primary ways to get your Rogers services back online. 1. Online account management, My Rogers. For many users, the My Rogers online portal or mobile app is the most convenient way to manage their account and potentially initiate reactivation. Here's how you might be able to do it. Log in, go to the Rogers website or open the My Rogers app and log in using your Rogers username and password. If you can't remember your login details, there are usually options to recover your username or reset your password. Check account status. Once logged in, navigate to your account overview or billing section. Here, you should be able to see the current status of your account. If it's deactivated, there will likely be a notification indicating this and providing information on the next steps. Make a payment. If the deactivation was due to an overdue payment, you should be able to make a payment directly through the My Rogers portal using a credit card, debit card, or other accepted payment methods. Once the payment is processed, your services may be automatically reactivated within a certain time frame. Initiate reactivation request. In some cases, even after making a payment, you might need to manually initiate a reactivation request through the portal. Look for options like reactivate services, resume services, or contact links to get the process started. Chat with a representative. The My Rogers portal often has a live chat feature. This can be a quick way to connect with a Rogers representative who can assess your situation and guide you through the reactivation process. 2. Contacting Rogers customer support by phone. Another direct and often effective way to reactivate your account is by calling Rogers customer support. Here's how to approach this. Find the right number, locate the appropriate customer service number for your specific type of service, e.g., residential, wireless, business. You can usually find these numbers on the Rogers website under the Contact Us or Support sections. Be prepared with your account information. Before you call, have your Rogers account number and any other relevant information, like your phone number or service address, readily available. This will help the representative quickly access your account details. Explain your situation clearly. When you speak to the representative, clearly explain that your account has been deactivated and you want to reactivate it. Provide them with any information you have about the reason for deactivation. Follow their instructions. The customer service representative will guide you through the necessary steps to reactivate your account. This might involve making a payment over the phone, confirming your identity, or providing additional information. Ask for a confirmation. Once the reactivation process is initiated, be sure to ask for a confirmation number or reference ID. Also, inquire about the estimated time frame for your services to be restored. 3. Visiting a Rogers retail store. If you prefer a face-to-face interaction, you can visit a Rogers retail store. This can be particularly helpful if you have a more complex issue or prefer to speak with someone in person. Locate a store. Use the Store Locator tool on the Rogers website to find the nearest retail location. Bring identification and account information. When you visit the store, bring a valid photo ID and any relevant account information. Explain your situation to a representative. Explain to the store representative that your account has been deactivated and you wish to reactivate it. They can then access your account information and guide you through the available options. Complete necessary steps. The store representative may be able to process payments, initiate reactivation requests, or provide you with further instructions on how to get your services back online. 4. Using social media as a last resort or for initial inquiries. While not always the most direct route for immediate reactivation, Rogers often has a presence on social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook. You can try reaching out to their customer support teams through these channels for initial inquiries or guidance. Find their official pages. Make sure you are contacting the official Rogers customer support pages on the respective platforms. Send a direct message. Send a direct message explaining your situation and requesting assistance with reactivating your account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.